Welcome, everyone, to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic, heart health. Your heart is an incredible organ that works tirelessly to keep you going. And taking care of it is vital for a healthy and fulfilling life. In this video, we'll explore some effective ways to quickly improve heart health and why these habits are crucial. Before we delve into tips for quick improvement, let's understand why heart health matters so much. Your heart is the engine that keeps your body running. It pumps blood carrying oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. Maintaining a healthy heart significantly reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks, strokes, and other complications that can impact your quality of life. Taking proactive steps to care for your heart is not just about longevity. It's about enjoying a vibrant, energetic life. Now, let's explore some habits that can rapidly boost your heart health. First, exercise regularly. Physical activity is crucial for heart health. Regular exercise improves cardiovascular fitness, strengthens the heart muscle, and helps manage weight. Aim for at least 150 minutes per week of moderate intensity exercise. Activities like brisk walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling are excellent choices. These exercises elevate heart rate and contribute to better overall cardiovascular health, lowering the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular issues. Eat a heart-healthy diet. Consuming a heart-healthy diet is essential for optimal heart health. This involves incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, like fish and poultry, and healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These foods provide essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, while limiting processed foods, saturated fats, and added sugars that can contribute to heart disease and other health problems. Quit smoking. Smoking significantly increases the risk of heart disease. Quitting smoking is one of the most impactful steps to improve heart health. Within days of quitting, positive changes, such as decreased heart rate and blood pressure, can begin. Over time, the risk of heart disease and other health issues diminishes. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is intricately linked to heart health. Adequate, uninterrupted sleep of 7-9 hours per night supports overall cardiovascular wellness. Poor sleep patterns, insufficient sleep duration, or disrupted sleep can contribute to increased blood pressure, obesity, insulin resistance, and inflammation, all factors that elevate the risk of heart disease. Establishing good sleep habits, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing sleep environment, is vital for promoting optimal heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular problems. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can profoundly impact heart health. Employing relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or engaging in hobbies effectively mitigates stress levels. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining not only heart health but also overall well-being. Chronic stress can elevate blood pressure, increase the risk of heart disease, and negatively affect other systems in the body. Limit sodium intake. Excessive sodium intake can elevate blood pressure, increasing the strain on the heart and raising the risk of heart disease. Minimizing the consumption of processed and salty foods is essential. Aim to limit daily sodium intake to less than 2,300 milligrams, and ideally closer to 1,500 milligrams, to support optimal heart health and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Maintain a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight strains the heart and heightens the risk of heart disease. It's essential to strive for and sustain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Aiming for a weight that aligns with your body's healthy range reduces the burden on the heart, promotes better cardiovascular function, and diminishes the risk factors associated with heart-related complications. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is crucial for maintaining heart health. Drinking enough water is essential as it supports healthy blood flow, optimal circulation, and proper hydration levels throughout the body. Proper hydration contributes to improved cardiovascular function by assisting in the transport of nutrients and oxygen, regulating body temperature, and aiding in waste removal. Maintaining proper hydration levels is a key aspect of overall cardiovascular well-being. Remember, these habits not only improve heart health quickly but also contribute to a longer, healthier life. By adopting these practices, you're not just protecting your heart. You're investing in your overall well-being. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Take care.